Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know how much time I have, so I'm gonna have to do this quick. I did not do a plan with me last week, as you know, so I'm just gonna do a quick little recap of the week. Tell you what stickers I used and the kit and all that. I did change up a couple things. I'm still trying to figure it out. So trying to add more and take out some too. So this is going to be for the week of April 29th through May 5th. There was a lot that went on this week, like a lot. Let's see. Everything for this week is going to be TheCraftyStudent, unless I mention otherwise. If I mention otherwise, it's going to be Planner Kate. So let's get started. So this week I used the kit Blossom from the Crafty Student, which I will also have a coupon code for you down below, as well as the other PR girls on the team. Their info, a couple of them have a YouTube channel you'll want to check out. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get going here. So here is the weekly view. I used date covers. The preschool is Planner Kate. Everything else, other than the car, yeah, everything else is going to be the Crafty Student. This card is Planner Kate. For my weekly view, I tend to just mark down preschool when she has school, bills, and then when his grandparents come pick up, and like just other little things. So as you can see, it's pretty busy, as well as I also, right now it's countdown until summer break, aka end of school, and then I also keep track of the Cubs games. This is my sidebar that I created. It's just grid paper from AnniePlans, which this is also from AnniePlans. All my inserts are AnniePlansPrintables, which I will also link down below. So for my sidebar, I switched it up a little bit from last month. This is also in a Carpe Diem planner binder, and I use the Parku erasable pen from Amazon. So for the sidebar, I just have a list of like of the events going on this week, anything that I'm adding as well. I have my habit trackers. I did end up getting, the date covers are now not just date covers. They have like the whole sheet that comes with the full kit, which I use the a la carte because I don't use a couple of the sheets, so I just do the a la carte. Price ends up being just about the same. So anyways, I have this week, which is just like all my events and everything. I have the date for this week. I decided to add, just like in the sidebar for the Erin Condren, here's my little quote box, and then to do, and then I have the habit trackers, clean. These scripts right here, bathroom, kitchen, living room, and bedroom are custom script. I still have a don't forget, so just like a quick, this turned into like a quick little thing right here as well. But I don't really like put all of this over here. More like just preschool work, and then like if there's important things like Star Wars Day, I have important, and then this is when Cubs games are. Goals would be my walk, getting 5,000 steps or more, which I actually need to check that off. And then my daughter's vitamin and medication tracker, bills. Everything on here is going to be Planner, or not Planner Kate, the Crafty Student, except for these little itty bitty ones. Those are Planner Kate, as well as these, and then the rest is going to be the Crafty Student. And then on to the next day. Let's see, I did change up this side right here. This is now just going to be straight up my to-do list, and then just like just like when you kind of do like those gaps everybody does, like the morning, evening, and put like the little stickers, kind of like what I do, more like just what I remember what I did that day. So then I did get custom header, girl boss stuff. This is just like my everyday list, like a daily list almost. And I do write it down every single day, except for film, obviously. But I did change this because I wanted to add the full boxes to these. And then I also got a sleep tracker and a water tracker for each day, which I'm thinking about just using the weekly tracker instead. The Monday through Friday, not the habit tracker, but the Monday through Friday full box. So I ended up changing it. So I have girl boss. I usually have weekly tasks, and I don't this time. So there's today, get up early, my husband's work schedule, my daughter went to school, and then the rest of this right here. I track dinner, water, sleep, and steps now. And then that's what I did for each of these days. The only thing that is not the Crafty Student is going to be this backpack right here. Same with this day, I believe. Yeah. So the same thing, just track everything. And then I also track who the cubs are playing, and then if they won or not. The CW is a custom header. It'll be under TV shows. You can custom the TV show, but I did the channel instead. All of this is going to be the Crafty Student, except for the backpack, which is Planner Kate. Same with this day, all the Crafty Student. And then I end up not adding the backpack for some reason. I think it's just because last week was a really rough week as well. And there's Thursday. Everything is the Crafty Student. Everything is the Crafty Student except for the little heart right here. That is Planner Kate. As you can see, like, it got busy and not busy. I was supposed to have a phone call this day and ended up having to reschedule it because she was sick. Let's see. Catch-all. So anything I don't get done during the week, Monday through Thursday, I end up trying to get it all done on a Friday, but realistically, because his grandparents visit every Friday, I'm probably going to have to change that. I'm not sure how, but I will figure it out. So, set. All this is the Crafty Student except for the little heart. And then Saturday was all the Crafty Student. And I do love that she added the pickup and ordered groceries. The girls and I were asking her to make those because, well, I don't know if anybody else lives in a hot state, but sometimes you just gotta pick them up instead of going in. It's just easier, or if you're like me with a kid, that just easier sometimes just to go and pick it up. So there's that, and it was Star Wars Day on May 4th. Sunday was pretty busy. I did get up April flip through, which I will link down below. And then that's it. This is Sunday. That's the last day. Visit here. Oh, I almost forgot. The visit here one right here. This is custom script as well as video chat with Grammy. And then there's another one, video chat with Papa, that I have. I could have sworn I talked to my dad last week. Yep, right there. So there's that. So you can get custom script and custom headers. So don't be shy to ask for them. Just like I did Sunday tasks. I did the same thing every Sunday. So yeah, that is my week. It was pretty full and busy and not busy and all that. So, oh, and Call Nana is also a custom. I think that's all the customs I have. Oh, and Mom Boss. I tend to get like the major stuff done on Wednesdays. I don't know why I just picked the middle of the week, even though my daughter goes Monday through Thursday. But you know, Mondays are a bit of a drag sometimes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do like a full on how I put everything together, just let me know in a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!